All right, this is Pablo. It's February 26, 2014. It's been 3 weeks and 1 day now since he's had a little problem. You want to go outside? No. Hold on. Okay. You want to get the squirrel? You want to get the squirrel? Huh? You gonna get it? Get the squirrel. Where is it? There he goes. He'll make it down to the end of the fence. Where's the squirrel? Where is it? Oh, where's the squirrel? Did you get it? Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go. Pablo, come on. Squirrel. No, come here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Squirrel? Oh, come on, honey. Okay, let's go in. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Squirrel? You squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Come on, let's go. All right, let's go in, honey. Come on. Okay, go lay down. You gonna lay down? No, you still want that stupid squirrel, don't you? I know you do. Don't you? Did you get it? No. Sit. Lay down. Sit. Sit. Squirrel? Squirrel. No? Are you tired? Or do you want to get the squirrel? What? All right. That's enough. Sit. Lay down. Go boy.